Let's dive into the Investing Pro Plus Stock Screener and see how to find new investing opportunities in no time. From the Pro Plus homepage, click on the Screener tab at the top left corner of the navigation bar to get started. The quickest way to start screening is with Pro Plus's Premade investing strategies. So toggle Strategies near the top right of the screen, which will open up a range of categories we think you should check out. Let's open Strong Upside as an example. Now this strategy contains stocks already filtered for a strong fair value upside, a positive analyst target upside, and a market cap greater than $250 million. You can also modify these filters for a more custom approach. Then just scroll down to see all the stocks that fit these criteria. You can sort them however you want by clicking on the parameter you prefer and even export the results to a spreadsheet for offline work later. You can also always create your own screener from scratch by clicking on the plus icon. Then just choose and modify your metrics to start seeing results. And when you find a preset that you like, hit Save at the top right corner to save it for future use. That's a quick rundown of how to use the Pro Plus Stock Screener. You're all set to start finding new investments.